Hi, I'm David Johnson. I hope to talk to you in this video about animation wheels. I hope to show you how to fit these correctly to luminaires in a safe manner and some of the amazing special effects possible with animation discs. So how do animation discs actually work? Well, the rotation motion of the breakup pattern provides a seemingly infinite movement effect, in other words animating the beam of light. Different animation disc patterns are available, allowing designers to choose specific animation properties. And combining gobos and other optical effects can lead to some spectacular dynamic effects and subtle surface textures. So with this in mind, how do we apply this effect to a conventional luminaire? There are a few very important safety considerations to remember when fitting animation discs to a luminaire. As with all accessories on luminaires, the animation disc should be secured to the luminaire by means of a safety bond. Animation discs require an independent power supply, and many have controls on the accessory itself. When energizing the unit, ensure the disc is free to rotate without catching on any other part of your lighting rig, such as cables or safety bonds. If the animation wheel is prevented from moving freely, it could cause the motor to overheat, posing a fire hazard. So now that we know how to correctly fit animation wheels, what are they actually capable of? Well, you can use them with gobos, colorizers and color filters to produce some spectacular dynamic effects. Rosco, an effects manufacturer, produces a guide to creating certain effects such as rain, wind, snow, clouds and fire. Let's have a look at them. Here we see rippling or flowing water using a linear breakup gobo and a radial breakup animation disc on a very slow rotation. This could be used to texture scenery or perhaps give the impression that the scene is taking place underwater if projected onto a cyclorama or elevated surface. The addition of a colorizer gobo adds dimension to the water and adds another layer to the effect. Here we see one of the many fire effects possible with animation discs. Combining a flame gobo with a linear breakup disc mounted to the side of the luminaire gives the impression that the flame is flickering upwards. Clouds can be produced too, using a cloud gobo and a cloud breakup animation disc. This could be projected across the top of a cyclorama to show the movement of clouds, or could be used as a pipe end effect, projecting down onto the actors to add naturalism to a scene. Observe here the difference between a sharp edge focus and a softened focus. The animation effect becomes significantly more pronounced when the luminaire beam is softened. As we've now seen, you can use animation wheels to provide some very simple but very powerful animation effects and special effects in your theatrical lighting design. Try experimenting with colours and gobos and prisms to get the effects that you want. Experiment with speed and perhaps the orientation of the animation disc to provide the effect that you're after. You don't always have to spend money hiring in moving lights to get very impressive special effects. So, to summarise, animation wheels can be fitted into the gel frame of most conventional luminaires. They provide an animation effect which can be changed through the use of different animation discs. You can use them to animate gobos, provide motion effects, and texture surfaces or pieces of set. Try an experiment. Combine colours and gobos to produce amazing new effects. Why not integrate a gobo rotator? The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching this video on animation discs. I hope it's proved useful, and good luck with your future designs.